In order to delete your Reddit account, follow the steps. First of all, you need to launch the Reddit application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the homepage, tap on the profile picture icon in the top right corner. Then go to the settings option that is below the saved. Tap on it. Now in the settings, go to general, that is account settings for you. Tap on it. From this page, scroll all the way down and there you will see the option of delete account, which is highlighted in red color. Tap on it. Reddit will prompt you to confirm your choice and enter your username and password for security. Deleting your account does not remove your posts or comments. You must delete them manually if you want to erase all the evidence of your activity. And if you're sure, click on delete account. And after your account is deleted, it cannot be recovered. Reddit advises downloading your data beforehand if you want to keep a record of your posts and comments. And your posts and comments remain visible even after account deletion, but they will be displayed as being from a deleted user. Any messages you send will still exist, but they will be associated with the deleted account. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.